Warning: please read the warnings we make in the More Information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein. If your kidney is in danger, the body will give you these 8 signs. Do not ignore it and share. The body works like a car. Although it is true that there are things that are more important as the engine or the wheels themselves, it does not mean that other parts are not necessary for its proper functioning. The truth is that these kinds of problems are common in the body, usually related to poor diet. We are talking about kidney failure, or in other words, problems with your kidneys. The kidneys have a fairly important job in your body because they act as a filter and carry the red blood cells, leaving them clean for oxygen to flow through the body, so you know the symptoms that indicate that you have kidney problems. The main symptoms are: 1. Inflammation. Kidney problems are linked to difficulties in filtering and eliminating excess liquid. Not only that, but this inflammation can occur in different areas of our body. Holding fluid can be a common occurrence, but if you hold on for more than a week, you should see your doctor. 2. Cutaneous eruptions. As the toxins cannot be removed from the body, the skin reacts in this way due to its accumulation of residues in the blood. Be careful. 3. Changes in urine. Things like problems with urination, blood, sudden changes in color, or even too much frothy urine. In short, if you have a strong change in your urine, you are likely to have kidney problems. 4. Fatigue and reluctance. The kidneys intervene with the red blood cells which carry the oxygen to the whole body. If you have fatigue and despair for no reason, this may be the reason. 5. Problems of concentration. For the same reason red blood cells, your body and mind loses effectiveness due to lack of oxygen. 6. Shortness of breath. The same problems with oxygen transport are related to the renal. 7. Metal flavor. If your blood tends to know metallic or your own mouth, it is because your blood is full of toxins, clear symptom of kidney problems. 8. Pains. Key pains in the upper back near your kidney are very clear. This indicates that you may have a damaged or damaged kidney. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.
Yeah.